Hello to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you would like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing from Glossybox. Let me go ahead and shoot my thumbnail real quick. Thank you. So, this is what the inside of the box looks like this month. This is for the month of June. The very first thing in here on the top is www.lawrencehunt.co. Lawrence Hunt, the ultimate everyday shirt for him or her. So it looks like a card. This year's theme is summer solstice. Ooh. On the inside there's a list of all the products. So I'm seeing some good ones from this box. I've been really enjoying Glossybox. They tend to have a lot more makeup items than anything. So the first thing is this big box that I see. It says Show Rich. And it says Rich, R-I-C-H-E, Grooming Balm. The full size goes for $45 and it's 5.1 fluid ounces. So this is a full size. This goes for $45, which is a fraction of the cost of this subscription. It says bye-bye, split ends, frizzy flaws, and flyaways. Show Beauty's Rich Grooming Balm conditions your hair for a smooth, soft finish with long-lasting shine without the greasy feeling. Get to know these 3 oils in this one product. Jojoba, the oil that eliminates frizz. Safflower seed, that oil penetrates, protects, and nourishes again. And argan oil that increases shine. Sweet. I don't have too many problems with my hair right now because it's growing. I'm trying to grow it out and I have it natural. A lot of the times, excuse me, I color my hair, but I haven't done it in a long time. Let's go ahead and just get a little bit on our hand. It smells so good. It smells kind of like a rose or peachy. A peachy rose or like a fruity flower. I think my mom will actually enjoy this. She's got color treated hair and it'll probably help a lot with the dryness of summertime, you know, all that good stuff. So that's really awesome. The next thing in here I see is this little Gilchrist and Soames body lotion in English Garden. It says close your eyes and breathe in the fresh essence of the English countryside. With this fragrant silk infused body cream contains food grade natural derived botanicals, as well as cruelty-free honey. This evocative blend is as transportive as it is delicate. Ooh, yes. That smells a lot more florally than the hair stuff, but oh my gosh, my mom's gonna love me this month. She's gonna get so much good stuff. The next thing in here is by Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco. Modelco? Modelco. I say Modelco. It says, oh, before I forget, this item here retails for $24 for 15.5 ounces. So this is just a, what do you call those bigger sizes? It's a bigger sample size. I'm sorry, I'm having a brain fart. I'll think of it. I hope. It's a deluxe sample size. Anyways, okay, this is a lip pencil. It doesn't have the shade, but the full size retails for $29. Oh my gosh. It doesn't raise up, so I'm thinking you can probably sharpen the plastic. But there's the color shade right there. It's like a mauve peachy pink. Peachy pink. Like a mauve rose pink. Like a rose petal pink. I don't know, I don't use pink lips that much. Looking to enhance that gorgeous pout of yours, the soft wax lip pencil will make your lips look pillowy and full thanks to its creamy formula and universally flattering color. It's funny how they didn't include the color, yet it's $29 for a nameless, not nameless, colorless lip balm, lip liner pencil. Okay, enough. Temple Spa Repose Aromatherapy Resting Cream. Are you sleep deprived? If so, reach for this nutritive night cream rich in plant extracts and relaxing essential oils, designed to encourage restful sleep and promote feelings of calm. You'll wake up to firmer, softer skin. The blend of hops, valerian, chamomile, frankincense, lavender, patchouli, geranium, bitter orange, and clary essential oils will bring a sense of calm to your bedtime routine. Ooh, so it must smell really good. Oh, it actually reminds me of my mom, and it's because of the patchouli. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so awesome. Aromatherapy Resting Cream. Sweet. I think I'm actually going to keep this because it reminds me of my mom. I might try it once or twice and then give it to her. So there's these Emmett Makeup by artists, for artists, a lash curler, which is so awesome. Who doesn't love a lash curler? Excuse me. 1.6 ounces of this goes for $60, and this is 0.5 ounces, so this is worth like 20 bucks. Oh my gosh. This retails for $25. It's the Emmett Makeup Professional Eyelash Curler in Rose Gold. Because everything looks better in rose gold, we bring you this gorgeous metallic professional lash curler, which is ergonomically designed to create a flirty eye without ever touching your face. Okay, we all know what curlers are. Awesome. So this box has 6 items in it. The very last thing is this Icon Mini. Absolute New York Icon Mini Eyeshadow Palette in Gold Glitz. The full size goes for $8.99, and it's 1 piece. So I'm assuming that's what this is. There are a few more covetable makeup looks than the smoky eye, and we're here to make it easy to achieve. Simply apply the mini gold glitz available in 6 shades to your lids, focusing on your outer corners for a dose of no fuss, shimmering drama. It says, tidbit, it turns out there is a color that looks good on everyone, and it's gold. Why? The glimmering flecks actually play off your individual skin tone by reflecting light. Magic makeup. Makeup magic. So here's what the inside looks like. And it's got this like a metal tin palette. Sweet. There's a little mirror up top. And then there's the shades. just off a first glance, it reminds me of the Urban Decay Smoky Eye, which was one of my very first palettes. The shades are Fluffy, Prosecco, Soft Copper, Cashmere, Nutty, and Charred. So that's pretty awesome. Came with this little dinky brush. Anyways, you guys, I'm sorry this video was so long, but thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your love and support. I enjoy reading every single one of your comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said in my previous haul, I am going to be posting my 100 subscriber giveaway today after I do my 3 haul videos. And then if you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. Have a great rest of the weekend. Drive safe. Have fun. Love and light. Be kind to one another. Love you all.